put this on Facebook.
Okay, I will. Okay, I will.
No, man.
We're just going for it. Yeet. Drift. Turn off that. Alright, be careful. Katie's up here.
Oh, where is she? Katie.
Yeet up this hill.
Okay, ready?
Dead end.
We're going down.
Yeet. Oh, yeah. Alright, show me them reverse skills.
Eat back down.
Reverses.
The clutch. Same time.
Alright.
Yeet.
Yeet. Yeet. Yeet.
Down the hill.
Oh! That was all.
Not gonna yeet down the hill. Am I scaring you, Peter?
No, I'm not scared.
Okay. Are you lying? There's Katie. What up now? What up, Kate? Japanese cousin. Corner. All right.
That was it? Okay.
All right, go around again. You want to go around again? Take it out on the road.
Some real yeeting.
Okay, really.
Oh.
So excessive.
Oh, there's a 6th Street over there behind Zach's house.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. We gotta hit that.
Where is it?
It's back
The
that
other
way.
Okay.
Just drift at 180 right.
Yeah.
Yeet on this Mustang.
Yeet.
Yeet.
10 miles per hour.
That's a suggestion.
Oh. oh, okay.
Wait for it, it's coming.
Whoa.
Yeet, baby! Yeet! Yeet it up!
All right. Ooh.
Holy
Whoa.
yeah! Hit that! Yeah. Oh my goodness.
This is nuts.
Yeah.
No, this doesn't kill me. 25.
Also a suggestion.
Yes. But I probably shouldn't go like 3 times. Oh, sweet.
Father, Son, Holy Spirit, we're good. Yeet!
Oh.
3 in 1. That's what it's all about. End speed zone. Right there. We're good. Let's get this up to triple. Let's go.
Oh, we're not in the rain.
Ooh, oh, roller coaster. Oh. Oh, Yeezy.
We ain't fam.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
You're good.
Well, I mean, as long as we have health insurance, we're okay.
Yeah. My boss pays for it. We're good.
Oh, nice. Look at these guys are not eating.
Cut him off.
You know. Not today, Sienna.
Not today, Satan. Satana.
205. Let's go. Let's go to Salem.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, green light. Woohoo.
Light it up.
Launch ramp.